We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel. And I'm Dave, and today we're going to deploy our MT5 Expert Advisor on a demo account, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So here we go. This right here is the Expert Advisor live on a demo account. Now, how did I get here? And how do I show you how I did this? So let's just do something right here. Here's that Expert Advisor. I'm going to do everything in this backwards so I can show you backwards and forwards how I did this. So right here we're going to get rid of the Expert Advisor. So we'll remove it. And yeah, and now I'll just show you how you put it on there. Boom. So there it is. Right here you got this identifier as the magic number. This is important if you have two different Euro US dollar strategies running. You need to give them a special identifier number, which is called the magic number. Okay, so this one right here, it's set to a default of 11111. And you can change this number for all of them, and you can keep track of the magic numbers just on a piece of paper or something, just on a spreadsheet of which one has the magic number to which strategy. Press OK, and it is active and it is trading. So today is Sunday, so no active trading going on here, but it will show you some of the details of your Expert Advisor when it starts trading. Also right here, this is the terminal window. I got there by pressing Control T, and this will come up, and this will give you some stats. Also you can add the magic number here as well, and into the report. So it says into columns. Yeah, so you can add that magic number. So every time this EA does a trade, then you can see which one it was. So say you have two going at the same time with the magic numbers, and you know which is which. Okay, so then that's easy, right? To add, just drag and drop that Expert Advisor. So how did I get it into here? All I did was I opened the data folder, and I clicked on MQL5, and then I went to experts, and then here is that Expert Advisor. I just copy and pasted it into here. So let's just get rid of it and show you how I do this, and then we'll remove it from here too. Expert list. Remove. Okay, and then close it, and then reopen it, and that Expert Advisor should not be there, and it is not. So then we're going to put it back in there. So we go back to the open data folder, MQL5, experts, nothing's in here. So here is that Expert Advisor, and I'm going to copy it and put it back there. MQL5 experts. Yep, and then press paste, and there it is. Got to do one more step because it's still not there, right? You don't see it. I've got to close it and reopen it, and then go down. There's that Expert Advisor. I drag and drop it, press OK, and there you go. That's how you deploy the Expert Advisor. There's some other stuff that you're going to need to do. you're gonna have to click on this button right here, Algo Trading, so you can turn it off, and then the color goes a different color, and then goes blue. Boom, you're good. Okay. One more thing you're gonna do is go to Options, and then you're going to click on Expert Advisors, and you're going to say Allow Algorithmic Trading. Click that on there. You can also click this one, Allow DLL Imports. That's for something else, but that's if you have kind of another system going. But you can just press OK. So you have to do those two things. And let's keep going backwards here. So how did I get this MT5 on my desktop? So here I'm in the retester, and I've got my strategy opened here. I named it Euro US dollar H1 IC markets, and I call it the mean reversion. Okay, so I double clicked on it, and then I come up to this source code, and I click on Expert Advisor MQ5, and I press Save to File, and that's it. Then I just copy and paste that and put it onto my VPS server on the desktop there, and then I just add it to my MT5 platform, restart it just as I showed you there. Thumbs up, that's how you deploy your strategy. If you have any questions on how I did some of this stuff, just hit me up. I've actually made videos like this before, so we can look at some of my previous ones. I could link them. Another thing you want to do, which I did in a previous video, is you want to put all your indicators into the platform. I'll actually put that video in the link in the description below, so you kind of have to prepare your MT5 platform beforehand. We already did that in another video, but you just have to have all those indicators that we're using for StrategyQuant actually already in MT5. Yeah, we already covered that in another video, but hey, it's a step you got to do, so I'll put that in the link in the description below. Hey, press the thumbs up button. I'll keep making more videos, and I'll keep making more custom projects for you.